So hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Deepa and this is Divine Tarot. So in today's video we are going to tap into the energies of your person and what is going on, like overall energy. So whenever you see me show my cards, just understand that it is an in-depth analysis, and whenever you see me in the video, it is like a clear cut, like it's a indication that I'm going to tell you guys the overall energy A to Z. But whenever I do such kind of videos wherein I show just the cards, it is a clear cut, like an in-depth analysis. So let's do an in-depth analysis of what is going on. Yeah, so this is my new tarot deck, and trust me, I've been loving this so much. I'm doing majority of my readings with this tarot deck. I think it's Sacred Destiny. So the cards are very on the point and it helped me channelize the message. Yeah, I really love these. So Spirit, what is the overall energy of the person? So power. Okay. So there is a power struggle here. Okay guys, so we are starting the reading with Karmic and Divine Masculine. So if you're not in a karmic situation, then this reading is not for you. Please check out my other videos. This is a clear-cut power struggle between karmic and divine masculine. Yeah, so let's check like what is happening. What is the overall energy? Oh God, this is your karmic. Queen of Swords is a very heartless, like a ruthless kind of person who is very abusive, who is very greedy, that kind of person. So your person, your divine masculine, is dealing with such kind of a woman. Okay, if man or woman, please take what resonates. It's a karmic. This, I can't believe that we are starting the reading with the karmic. Okay, so there is a power struggle between your man and this woman. See, they are having verbal abuse. Both of them are having verbal abuse. They are fighting. There is a lot of fights. You can see how this lightnings are striking. This is your man that is finally standing up for the injustice that has been done for this, on this guy over the years. I knew it only when I kept my mystic tarot, like it is a karmic reading. So yeah, Spirit, what is happening? See, your man is fighting about the struggle, that this woman is stopping his growth. Your man finally, your divine masculine finally opened his eyes that, see, the karmic can be his mother also. Okay, can be. Okay, I kept my mystic tarot, so it's a work oriented place, right? So this karmic and your man are having fights. They're ignoring each other. They're fighting. Finally this man is standing up, your divine masculine. Spirit, what else is happening? Oh God. Actually these days I am doing very, very complicated cases, like my personal readings, where people are in very complicated situations, and I can't believe that today my reading is about karmic. Okay, but we will follow the guidance of universe. We will follow the path of universe, right? So your man can crystal clear see. I'll tell you how is this card. Wherein the person standing here can see this end. So your divine masculine is now seeing full clarity. Like he can see till the end what this, guys, I'm sorry but I'm getting this word. He's seeing what this bitch did to him. I'm hearing the word bitch. Maybe your divine masculine feels that this woman is bitch. Okay, see, cussing is a part of tarot card reading sometimes. So you see many tarot card readers use cuss words. That is because that is the energy. Your divine masculine feels this man is a bitch, or he is referencing, like he's telling some people close to him that she is a bitch, that she is stopping this guy's growth, right? Now let's see what is this karmic up to. At least now, after so much of injustice and cheating, this guy finally opened his eyes and is able to see of what all is happening. Finally he opened his eyes and he's feeling betrayed, this guy, divine masculine. Yeah, what else is happening, Spirit? Ace of Cups. See, finance, this guy is struggling for finance because this woman is withholding. The moon, this guy. So I'll tell you what is happening. Whenever this woman is harassing this guy, your divine masculine, he's realizing more and more and more of how much this guy loves you. This is helping him give this clarity two ways. Okay, I'm going to keep this here. He's getting clarity of what kind of person is this karmic and the amount of love this guy has for you. He's realizing that whenever these guys fight, this guy comes on social media just to see your picture or what you're up to, just to see your video, because you are this guy's energy booster. By just coming to you, this guy is feeling that energetically, that that he's getting that energy, right? And this woman, I'll tell you what she's doing. Okay, before that I need to clarify some things. Okay, let me come back to this. Spirits, what is happening? Okay, 5 of Pentacles, the Hermit, Queen of Pentacles, 4 of Pentacles, the Wheel. Okay, so guys, I can't believe I'm saying this. Your karmic went to a tarot card reader. This is the tarot card reader. Not even an astrologer, but a tarot card reader. She went to the tarot card reader to ask about the connection between you and Divine Masculine. Okay, this is the karmic that is in hermit mode. I'll come to that. God, the energy is all over the place today. I'm already having so hard time with my personal readings, and okay. So guys, this karmic got a reading done on you, on your relationship with Divine Masculine, because this woman is feeling that whenever this guy is fighting with her, that you are brainwashing your man, when in actuality you are not even on talking terms. See, there is this door. This side is Divine Masculine, the other side is you, Divine Feminine, and there is this door that is built in between, but the key is right here. Yeah, your Divine Masculine can come and open this key and come to you, but this door is built by this bitch. Yeah, see, she went to a tarot card reader to get a reading done on you both. And I'll tell you what else has happened. So the tarot card reader, okay, what did the tarot card reader say? Spirits. Oh my God. So the tarot card reader said, you are the one, Divine Feminine. The tarot card reader immediately picked up your energy. The moon, she picked up your psychic. She told this tarot card reader told this karmic that you are immensely psychic, you have immense psychic capabilities, Divine Feminine, because the moon shows psychic capabilities. This tarot card reader immediately picked up your energy, and she told that nothing can stop from your Divine Masculine coming to Divine Feminine, and this guy will leave finances and career. So now I'll tell you what this karmic is doing. Oh God, I'm shocked with the energy today. This tarot card reader immediately picked up your energy, Divine Feminine, and told this karmic to stay away from you. Because, wait, I'll tell you the reason. Oh God. Because this is karmic. Because you are immensely protected. That's what this. See, tarot card readers have immense energy power. If someone is highly protected, they immediately warn. And this tarot card reader warned this karmic to stay away. To stay away, and nothing can stop from these both coming together. Now I don't know if your man told this karmic that you are twin flame or not, or soulmate. But by the sense of this, I'm figuring it out that he told. And this tarot card reader also told that, these both are two counterparts, like the yin and the yang. See, tarot card readers immediately pick up if they are twin flames. And this tarot card reader also spoke about your psychic capabilities, Divine Feminine, and I can see some scorpions here. Could be a scorpion or a moon or a Cancer or a Pisces, 3 of the water signs, because moon is like water, right? So water signs. Could be you have a moon there in your chart. Yeah. This tarot card reader told this woman, this karmic, to stay away. You know, you will see hell if you mess with this woman. She warned this. She warned this karmic. What else, spirit? Okay. She went to tarot card reader because this something to do with tarots here. Now you have to tell me what is the link, because individually every story can changes. For example, if this karmic went, in my case it could be because I am a tarot card reader. So like that everybody have a story. So she went specifically to a tarot card reader, not even an astrologer, and she told that nothing can stop this reunion between divine masculine and divine feminine. The tarot card reader warned this women to stay away from their life and to leave this divine masculine. So now I'll tell you, because energetically she cannot do anything. This tarot card reader also told that you are protected by spirits, by universe. This tarot card reader told that, see, you are protected by an unnatural super force, and if she messes with this, she will cry. That is what the tarot card reader said. Guys, the tarot card reader told everything the truth. Now, when did this happen? There are a lot of questions here which I want to ask myself. Okay, with this the karmic has disappeared. She is in this shock mode. She has disappeared. She's getting scared now to mess with this, but she's having fights with this. Now I'll tell you, this karmic has found out a new way to harass your man, divine masculine, by finance. She decided to go this route of the money. For example, if your person has to get 5 lakhs, she is giving him only 1 lakh, so that he doesn't buy you anything or he doesn't settle down to have a future with you. She's doing this wantedly. Oh my God, I can't believe there are such people out there. She is in isolation right now. This is the karmic. Because hearing this story, or the twin flame story, or the soulmate story from the tarot card reader, when I think this man shared with this your divine masculine shared with this karmic that you are his other, like you are the one. I'm hearing the word you are the one. Like he shared with this karmic, and your divine masculine is in state of shock that I thought that this person was my well-wisher, but he or she is harassing me like this. There is some involvement of money right here. Okay, this karmic is not giving this guy money, or she is harassing him so that he doesn't have a future with you, divine feminine, so that he doesn't come near you. And she got a reading done which told that you are the one. And this woman karmic also asked this tarot card reader that if I do any black magic, can I separate this? There is involvement of black magic also here, because I got Queen of Pentacles, and Queen of Pentacles indicates black magic. Yeah, and the tarot card reader warned this karmic to stay away from you, because this tarot card reader told about your spirit guides and protection of universe. She told that if you mess with this, you will get big diseases, not to mess with the force. See, this is the universe, okay? And this woman asked, this karmic asked the tarot card reader, can I do black magic, or can I do any spell work? And this tarot card reader warned her to not mess with you. And you'll play a dirty game. That's what I'm hearing. God, I can't believe such is the reading. Okay. Yeah, this woman has withhold your guy's money, knowing this woman knows that you are the one. And this woman saw in your divine masculine's eyes of how much he loves you. Yeah. This card is calling to me. Let's check what is that. Opportunity. Your divine masculine got any opportunity or career wise, or he is about to get. This is a clear cut career opportunity. So if you are a divine masculine watching this, you will get a career chance, but a little time will go by. Yeah, because I got the moon card. Yeah, it's an opportunity, so little time will go by. Yes, I'm seeing something to do with house here. I don't know if the divine masculine, because I'm getting a 4 of swords energy, a 4 of swords. Okay, this karmic knows that this divine masculine loves you like crazy, because she always saw in his eyes of how much he loves you. Can't believe, no wonder we call this person a karmic. Yeah. So see, I got wedding, and I also saw heart to heart conversations. I think your divine masculine want to, cry his heart out and tell you all of this torture that he is going through. Yeah, he wants to make love to you guys. After this video, I want you guys to check out the 18 plus video on my channel, wherein I do an in-depth analysis of this. I can't believe divine masculine is in this situation. Spirits, what else you want to convey to me? Yeah, there is a lot of swords energy here, and swords energy is verbal abuse, verbal fights. Wands and swords, wands is like physical abuse, and swords is verbal abuse. There is a lot of verbal abuse happening right here when both are fighting. And this karmic, actually, when she saw this guy, wherein he's standing up, she's feeling that how is this guy behaving like this because of this girl. And this woman tried to brainwash her man many times, saying that this girl is not the one for you. I'm also hearing that karmic's family could be karmic siblings. Karmic siblings or karmic's family is also brainwashing your man, saying that you are not the one. But your man, I got a king of cups. Divine masculine knows that you are the one. From the depth of his heart, he knows that you are the one. It took him some time, because he came under this influence. Now I'll tell you, this man is angry that not only did he lose all this career wise, but he also lost the time he was spending with you. He lost talking to you. All of this karmic involvement is there. And I'm getting a 4 of swords energy. Oh my god, we got the divine counterparts here also. So King of Cups and Queen of Cups. This woman knows that you are the one. Now she started playing this dirty game of withholding of this guy's finances. Because I'll tell you why. Because this woman is feeling that if this guy is not financially stable or not having a financial stability, he cannot come to you. Some involvement of money is right here, and she's feeling that if I withhold this guy's finances, she's doing it wantedly. And your man is shocked to know this true this true self, this side of this woman. It's like he's seeing crystal clear of what is it. Yeah, your man is struggling. This woman is playing with this guy's finances. And something to do with house. I don't know if he stays with her, it is his house, or they both stay in same flat, or what is it? You have to tell me. Can be based on everybody's individual stories. Yeah, I just kicked my camera. So yeah, this guy whenever he has fight with this woman, he comes to check your social media, divine feminine, so that he can just that you are this energy booster, and he wants to tell you all of this that is happening to him. And this is karmic. Karmic is in state of shock, because this tarot card reader told that if you mess with this divine feminine tenfold, it will hit you back. The lightnings will strike. Universe will take revenge on you. This woman is terrified. She's getting scared actually. This woman of you, divine feminine. She's getting scared of your universe and power, the positive power that is supporting you. Okay, so there is a lot of story that I want to tell, but I want to, me, whenever I come, I share the A to Z story. So this is the karmic energy update. This woman got a tarot reading done, and these tarot card readers asked her to stay away, to not mess with something so pure, or saying that between you both it is real love. I'll tell you why. Because this guy had sexual relationships with this karmic, which is going to come to an end. I got the death card. There is a lot of scorpion energy here today, a lot of scorpion. This karmic is pissed that this guy even stopped having like physical thing. This woman is trying in all of her power to stop this union. This karmic is trying to stop in like she's using all means. And this woman asked the tarot card reader, can I do spell work on divine feminine? right? And this tarot card reader warned her that if you do this, you will pay consequences. I don't know, I'm hearing Cancer. Now I don't know if it's the Cancer is the zodiac, I don't know Cancer is the disease or what, I don't know. That I'm just sharing you what I'm hearing. I'm hearing the word Cancer. I don't know if this woman has health issues. What she's trying to mess with something so pure. And I'm sure this tarot card reader also told that you are twin flame. I'm very sure about that because I got two counterparts, the King of Cups and the Queen of Cups. Yeah? Spirits, can you tell me? Oh my God. Didn't I tell you I'm getting the energy of a Four of Swords? There is a house involvement here. Now I don't know if he stays with the karmic or the house is karmics or they both share a same apartment, they both live in same society. What? There is a Four of Swords here. But whatever it is, because I got it on top of Death card, he's going to leave this place. The first step that he's going to do is leave this place. Wherever he's living, because energetically he's drained. All of, this karmic is getting scared of you, Divine Feminine. This woman is scared of you from whatever this tarot card reader told her. Wait, is the tarot card reader a man or a woman? Is the tarot card reader a man or a woman? Is the tarot card reader a man or a woman? It's a woman. It's a woman tarot card reader. Okay, now I'll tell you what else this tarot card reader told. This tarot card reader told her that this is a past life relationship. Like you both are meant to be in this life and you both are together from many past lives. Yeah? And also told soulmate. So okay, it's a twin flame. This tarot card reader told that you are soulmate or a twin flame. And he also, tarot card reader also told that very soon, like nothing, go ahead and make the romantic gesture. So this tarot card reader also told that for this man is like your divine masculine is deeply in love with divine feminine. Oh my God, this woman got clear-cut warning not to mess with you, divine feminine. And supernatural forces will strike on her. Can be, huge health issue, huge financial loss, anything. Right? You are not doing this, divine feminine, but you are protected. That's what I meant to say. Yeah? Can't believe my entire reading was only about karmic. Love wonders. Yeah? So this karmic also knows that you are the one. She's getting scared of you. Divine feminine, this karmic is getting scared of you even without meeting you. What else, spirits? Openness. New beginnings. Wow. So your man has to come. See, right now there is a lot of moon here. Can be Cancer also. Yeah. So your man, divine feminines, your man is thinking of a new beginning or new beginning. I can see here a new house. Yes, a new life with you, obviously. He wants a new job also. He wants a new career. He wants to get rid of this karmic. He wants to end things. There will come a time wherein they both will not even have each other's contacts in their phone. That is what is going to happen. Yeah? Completely new. And what else? I can see your Taurus. I can see Aries. I can see air signs here in this openness. Yeah? So, your divine masculine wants to tell about all of this to you, divine feminine. Yeah, and go like he wants to cry. Flow here I see as emotional outburst. Cry, he wants to cry his heart out and tell you this karmic got a tarot reading done. And the tarot card reader told not to mess with you. That is a summary of this reading. Yeah, and this karmic is in big state of shock. That actually this karmic and this divine masculine had a very good relationship. Okay, wherein she brainwashed this divine masculine that she is his well-wisher. Now your divine masculine is in state of shock, knowing that when he found the one, she is doing all this. Okay, by this behavior, your divine masculine is getting clarity that over the years that he had been cheated, he has been played. He's in state of shock that this woman is turned out to be like this. I think so he's sharing with his friends as well. Is this person telling about this to his friends? Yes, he is telling. He's telling that she's harassing. He's telling his friend that this woman is harassing him and not letting him have the love of his life. You know, divine masculine, if you are a divine masculine watching this woman is withholding your finances so that you do not have a future with divine feminine, and you do not gift anything to divine feminine. That is the kind of enmity this woman is showing. Spirits, can you give me any guidance or what is next? Oh my God. This woman is going to suffer a lot. Yeah, because I got, see, this I see as reverse. Can you see this woman right here? She's so dark and so shady. For doing this, she's going to have a karma and some health issue, like everything. This is not right. Yeah, because this woman knows that you are his wish fulfillment, and this woman is actually jealous of this man that he found such a pure girl, or divine feminine. This woman is feeling jealous. Spirits, anything else? Guys, I'm feeling to stop the reading. Right, this is what today is the energy update today. Spirits, anything else? Potential. Now I'll tell you what is going to happen. Your man, she didn't see your man's, right now he is only doing verbal fights or at a lower level. With potential, and now Mars changed to Sagittarius on January 16th. Your man is going to bash this woman. This woman should get scared because he's going to see this lion. I'm hearing lion zone of your man, wherein he'll bash this woman. Yeah, what else? For you divine feminine, he knows your worth now. No, what knows your worth? He knows what what level you are. And even this universe is protecting your man, because this guy is now started to listen to his heart. He started listening to his heart. Okay? Divine feminine, you need to just wait, not more. The patient, like I see this as reverse. It's time up. Like it's time. It's time. This man is going to bash this woman, and he's going to take a quick decision of leaving this house, or I don't know what is the Four of Swords here. Like, do they stay together? See, tower. There will be a tower moment. This woman needs to be careful, because this guy was a very soft guy till now. Now he is going to bash, because this guy is losing patience. First, because of his finances. Second, because you are not talking to him. Because he is losing you. He's feeling he's losing you, or he's feeling that you're moving on, or you'll find somebody else. All of this is triggering your man, and mainly because of this karmic. This karmic is harassing your man, and in the past she did this a lot. Whenever he tried to come close to you or something, this woman always does this. I'm hearing this woman also does sexual magic or black magic, or she does she mixes something in his drinks so that he has sex with her. Or this is all the energy that I'm picking up right here. This woman gives him drugs, or she mixes some things in his drinks so that he has sex with her. Something this woman is doing, all bad things I'm picking up here, right? Spirits, any last message to my viewer? Please listen to, speak to your friends about this divine masculine. Ask for and accept support from others. Please speak to your closest friend whom you treat like a brother, or somebody very close to you. That guy will give you solution of what you can do. Your divine masculine will come in this avatar wherein this karmic never saw. He's going to bash this woman, this karmic. On that note, guys, I am halting this video. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel, and please take what resonates and leave the rest. I am just decoding the energy right here, right? So I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye.